The color is stunning. Honestly, I hadn't had an opportunity to view it until I went to pick up the phone in person at the Apple Store. And I compared the deep blue to the orange. Now, blue is my favorite color, and I chose the cosmic orange over the deep blue. If you have an opportunity, I would just go into the store to see the colors in person before you purchase the phone. So this is a huge upgrade for me, okay? I am not a tech tuber, I'm a normal consumer. I'm coming from the 12 to the 17 Pro, so I'm super excited about it. It should be pretty easy to set everything up. I already backed up my iCloud information, so the transfer should be pretty straightforward. I think it's interesting to see that these phones are basically the same size. What is it? Let me see. Maybe it's the case tripping me up. Set up new iPhone. Continue. In just 3 minutes, the process is complete. Says that my phone number is active on here. Now, in the Apple Store, they had the silicone case in stock for $49. He said, I think it's called Flex Tech or something, that the woven case that they sell for $59 was out of stock. So I just made a decision to order a case online. It'll be here the 21st. So hopefully this phone will be okay until then, but a software update is available for this iPhone. Okay. Enjoy your new iPhone. When you're ready, come back and get this iPhone ready to be traded in, sold, or given away. To prepare this iPhone to be sold, given away. Reset, erase all content and settings. And then this is over here updating. I'm like, girl, an update already. The phone is finally turning on after about 25 minutes of updating. I hope it's quick because honestly, I have somewhere to be. I was not anticipating that it would need an update out of the box, but waiting. This is so annoying. It's completely redoing whatever it did earlier again. Like I have no clue what's going on. It's now 9:42. I'm like, girl, what is going on? Why is this taking an eternity? Let me tell you. This is probably one of the last things that you need to be doing when you have somewhere to be. But this iPhone 12 just can't take it no more. She cannot last.